I'm Mark Cantor. I founded Cantor Injury Law on the same principles that I learned as a child, on faith and integrity, loyalty and honesty. My father is a pediatric neurologist, and I saw him take care of the most sick children in our society. With a tender heart, he was caring and he wanted to help these families. But I didn't want to become a doctor. I wanted to become a lawyer. But I still wanted to help people in the same way that I saw my father helping people. So I created Cantor Injury Law. I've never once charged a fee since I started in the early 1990s because I want to help people get the best quality legal representation even if they don't have any money. That's what I learned from my father, and that's the way I help my clients, and that's the way I expect my firm to help our clients with that same honor and integrity that I learned as a child. Cantor Injury Law is different than every other law firm in the St. Louis marketplace. We are dedicated to our clients and their families in Missouri. If they're injured, we want to know every detail about their injury. We treat them with the same care and kindness that we would treat our very own family, because this law firm is built on teamwork, on honesty, loyalty, and integrity, common Missouri values. We're from Missouri, we're in Missouri, and we're for Missouri. If you're injured in Missouri, you need to get a Missouri law firm that knows the jury pool and knows how to win here and maximize your financial recovery. So Cantor Injury Law is much different than every other law firm advertising in the Missouri marketplace. So I've been practicing law in Missouri since the early 1990s, all the way through law school. And I have many, many impactful cases, but I can just tell you about a few right now. My favorite client of all time was a lady named Joan Alter. And Joan slipped and fell at the Science Center, and she was offered $500 for her severe injuries by the insurance company. And she came to me, and she is the sweetest lady, and it just wasn't fair. We won Joan nearly $1 million. I think it was like $966,000. The case was impactful because it changed her life. It allowed her to travel and to relax, and it compensated her for her severe injury. But the reason it was so impactful is that Joan was the sweetest lady. It made such a difference to her. Joan's passed now, sadly, but I loved Joan, and she would send me cards every holiday and every birthday, and she would call me and she would come by. And so it was impactful because it was a huge victory on a percentage basis for a sweet and deserving client that deserved the win. That's why I do what I do.